Oh, it's already broken. Oh no. I am so sick and tired of this weather. My heated vest, I have to wear it half in the day, like early morning when it's like bitterly cold, and then it's beautiful. But this video is going up when hopefully it's gonna be warm. This is unhinged level of cold. But moving into today's video, when we're talking about the most wished for, and I tried to like branch out a little bit from just, you know, like the Amazon's most wished for. I tried to like scope it out and expand a little bit. What are the most wished items from other places? So I dug through the internet and now we're gonna test some products. So let's start with a lip treatment. This is by CosRX, I think. No, I just made that up. This is by CNP, which is a popular, to my understanding, K-beauty brand. This is the Propolis Lip Serum in Mojito. They had a couple of different lip ones, but I do love a good mojito. Ooh, this is the top of it. Oh, there we go. I was like, nothing is coming out. You like twist it to apply it. That's cool. I just realized I have lip stuff on. Ah, I hate when I do that. First of all, scent is exquisite. Second of all, the consistency is very thick. It is like a thick consistency for sure. I love the smell of it. Oh, that smells really good. Very mojito-y. Minus the mint. I don't smell the mint. Maybe it's just kind of lemony. I don't know. It smells kind of not tropical. What is that? Lemony, I think. Isn't a mojito mint? I don't know. Now I'm second guessing myself. So it does have a little bit of color to it. For some reason, it's translating mildly blue on my lips. I don't know why, but in terms of how it feels really nourishing. My lips feel like really nice and they look really good. Like they don't look chapped or cracked or anything, which they mostly do. That's why we drink water, Rachel. Yeah, no, I do like this. What is in this? Oh, I don't know what's in that. I can't read that. Hang on. So it has PHA, which is going to be like a gentle exfoliant that's going to lift away the dead skin cells, smooth over any dry, chapped lips, squalene, glycerin, shea butter. It has Manuka honey extract. Just a bunch of things that are gonna keep your lips hydrated and soft. I like that. Next up, I have a scent because this is always on a most wished for somewhere in the world. It is the Sol de Janeiro perfume mists. There's just a bajillion of them. I've tried maybe 2 of them, but this one is new, so I wanted to try it. They had a bunch of different scents. None of them really spoke to me, but this one, it seemed to have some qualities that I thought might be nice, and it seemed like the internet liked this one the best. I always get sucked in the world of these things. I haven't found one that I love yet. Oh, that's nice. If you like tangerine, like if you like a good orange scent, it's very tangerine forward. I'm gonna spray it on my shelf here. I'll see how it does on my hand, not on my hand, on my arm. So while that dries down, I'm gonna take you to earlier this morning when I tried out some sheet masks. Marine collagen face masks. These are so insanely popular. Are they all the same? They're all different colors. I think they're all the same though. I just get to pick my favorite. This one. They have collagen, algae, sea minerals, fancy, hyaluronic acid, and pearl extract. Science-backed and professional. So I just don't want it to like splash up at me. I want the sea water. I don't want it splashing in my face. Ooh, fancy. Is this the outside or is this like the literal mask? You know, sometimes they're like, ooh, this is gonna be such a pretty color, and then no, it's just the plastic outside. But I think this is the literal mask. Awesome. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how gold it is. Like it is reflective gold. All right. Splash out on the details, Marie. Well, I'm supposed to just chill with this on for the next 20 minutes. So see you in a bit. Feels good so far.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's been on for 20 minutes. Take it off. See how my skin looks. Pat it in. I did put some of the extra because there's always extra in the container that it comes in. I always put that like on my neck or on my hands or something. My skin is looking very hydrated. You can see all my little wispy bits. What do we think? I mean, my skin feels really nice. Looks really good. I'm gonna let this soak in. We'll see what it looks like with makeup on top. And now that I have makeup on, I would say that I didn't have any issues with it pilling or peeling or interacting weird with the primers I was putting on, makeup, all that stuff. I let it dry down obviously first, but it felt really good on my skin. It felt nice and hydrating. I feel like my skin looks really good. I would say it's a fun sheet mask. I would use this again. That is so interesting, this scent. I think I like it, but I have to be in the mood for something tangerine, different than orange. I don't know why, but it is. The salty water or whatever they have, neroli water, which is tangerine, or neroli, that's like some form of orange, right? Salty skin accord is also in there. It feels ocean adjacent, but in like a tangerine field. Orchard? I don't know how you, like, do you grow them like that? Like, it has that fresh, almost like oceany vibe, not coconut, like it's not skewing into the sunscreen, but it has that like freshness to it. I don't know, I actually kind of like this one. But again, I have to be kind of in the mood for a tangerine scent. Now moving right along into two insanely popular clothing items. So the first one I saw a lot of was like, it's like a dupe for the Skims material. It's supposed to be like that, you know, that hugging kind of soft, stretchy fabric. It's gonna like hold you in, but be really like buttery soft. So it's supposed to be that. I got it in like a pale blue. The color is very nice. Honestly, I really like the color. Ooh. Ooh, the fabric is nice. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera. The fabric is quite thick, which I like. I am also curious because I saw a lot of people wearing this and it seemed to cover bra straps, I think. I didn't see anyone talk to that at all. It looks wide, but again, people were wearing it and it seemed to cover. So I guess let's try it. Yeah, I thought it would be too good to be true. It's just like, I hate being duped on the internet, but like, come on. I saw so many people wearing this shirt and no one said, you know, hey, you can't wear like a normal bra with this. The irritating thing is it's so close. Maybe if you wore like a balconette one, those tend to be a little bit wider. I'm thinking that might work, but like this is even like a demi and no. But outside of the bra thing, because like maybe that's not a thing for you. The actual shirt itself is phenomenal. It hugs, it's thick, like there's some good weight to it. It is super comfortable, nice and stretchy. It still looks cute. I love the color. The strap issue is an annoyance to me, but like outside of that, this is a 10 out of 10 shirt. It is gorgeous. I love the color. I love the material. Again, so soft. So if this isn't a thing for you, 100%, this is phenomenal. Phenomenal shirt. I like how I initially went into it and I was like, no. And now I'm like, yeah, no, this is actually a really great shirt though. What does it look like with like a strapless bra? I have to see. Okay, I have a strapless on. I have a black strapless on and you cannot tell it all. This is such a good shirt. I like went full 180 on this one because even in a strapless, because the material is thicker and it kind of like holds you in, I don't feel like I'm just like pulling at my bra, you know? I also tested it without a bra because I think that I'm like recalling a bunch of the girlies have been wearing these type of shirts without bras, just like a little like pasty situation. And that does work as well. That's not my style, but it does work, just so you know. This is a great shirt. This is a great shirt. Also worth noting that it is like a longer shirt. So like well, I guess it depends on who you are, but like the top of my hip is here and I hate when shirts sit here on me. I just like, that's not as flattering. But this, just like a little extra length, I like this. I have fully changed my opinion on it. This is beautiful. 10 out of 10. And then the next thing I got was from Revolve, and this was really popular in its category and within sort of the larger trend of really like fun pants. And so I saw them and I was like, these could be fun. They could be fun. And I like a fun pant. I know it doesn't look like it because I'm always in sweatpants, but I do like a fun pant. More of a pant gal than I am a dress gal. But they're sequiny. Oh, you can't tell me this is not fun. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. They're a little scratchy, maybe. We'll have to see. But they're cargo pant and they're sequins. Oh, best believe we need to try these on immediately. Okay, these pants. I am trying to figure out, there's like one part, you're so far away and so down because I need help understanding these pant cuffs, I guess. I also didn't realize that these are Steve Madden, and with duties and taxes, whoa. I honestly didn't know that Steve Madden was on Revolve. So they're very shiny. They are mildly scratchy. If I was walking around a lot or like dancing or something, like I would be annoyed in them. Also, you have to have a shirt that tucks in. If you don't have a shirt that tucks in, you're gonna have like a scar here. But like the thing that maybe I just need some shoes on. Hang on. Actually, I need some help. You need to tell me if I should keep these shoes. I got these. They're the 574s with my orthotics. I'm trying to figure out if I like the front of the shoe. I need you to be farther away so you can actually see what's going on. Like, I love these shoes from the top. I think they're so cute. But from the front, like why is it so dark on the bottom and it like lifts up? Why did they do that? It's just kind of like a little bit annoying, you know? They have deep pockets, which is nice. The shirt isn't that bad with it, to be honest. It's very glamorous. I cannot figure out, there's like straps on it that I didn't realize. You see those? And it has like a button on this side and it has an open button on this side. I was looking at the pictures online and in none of them, they're like, oh, and then you can do it this way. So I don't know. They just seem to be like open, you know? So maybe I'll try, I don't know, like making them into a jogger or something. All the way around. Oh, that doesn't look right. And then the other button's still showing. What is this for? I kid you not, the girl just wore them like this, but it's not sitting inside of the cuff really nicely. The strap looked really cute on her. It does not look the same on me. And maybe it's the fact that I'm not wearing heels. So to me, like, they're cool. I can't understand the height behind.
I can understand.
Oh,
What are we looking at?
this is slowest now.
It's the pants.
Listen, okay, so here's the thing. Look, do you see these? Look at these, the straps.
Oh, it's like a strap at the bottom.
Okay, but like, look at this though. Why is there a button on this side? You're so little.
I know, it's kind of like real life though.
It is.
Honestly, your silhouette looks great. You look like you're a cool extra in like a 90s dance movie.
I just don't understand why there's a button on this side and then there's an open button on this side.
It looks good from here for what it's worth. That shirt's great. What a great color on you.
Thank you. I feel like Cinderella in this color.
You look like Cinderella. It's for sure Disney princess.
Girl, thank you.
I think it's more like you're watching Disney Channel with those pants than
Yeah, I need like a wand thing, you know, to like, you know, write Disney Channel.
Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, we got it.
I don't know if you guys saw it in the last, this is, low is now like, here, I'm gonna pick you up, stop running away. I'm gonna pick you up, don't run now. This is low now because, again, say it from the top, everyone is sick all the time. So now I had to I tested this on my other channel, so you can go and check that one out. But like, this is now low and she just runs around my house now. If it's not low, it's one of my nieces looking for one of my children. Julia? So now she hounds me for things. Did I do this? Did I do that? So anyway, that's where we're at with the pant.
I'll let you finish filming, Glenn. I've got some emails I need to ask you about. Okay?
Yeah. Sounds good.
On my way to go see the kiddos. Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye. She's just gonna see herself out. But yeah, no, I'm not, I don't think I'm sold on the pant. Like, I get it, but I don't get it, you know? And you'll have to let me know what you think of the shoes too. I don't know how I feel about them. Please let me know. If you have the shoe, tell me if they're comfortable for aggressive amounts of walking. That's what I need to know. And then the next product, I'm gonna be honest, I went through Revolve and was like, you know when you kind of go in like a rabbit hole and you just end up and you're like, I don't know what I got here. That's where this one came from. It's a bestseller for them. And I see it in sort of a, like a home decor kind of a way. So we had to try it. I don't actually even know how to use this. So this will be fun. It is the Ombre Tower. Ta-da! Is it a game? Is it just a tower? Does it light up? I have so many questions. It's made of lucite and I think you just like stack it and then display it because it's pretty. This is what I think anyway. Okay. Oh no, it's already broken. Oh no. Well, that's a bummer. This is its like display case. Oh my gosh. I thought it would come out as, oh man, I almost saw the light there for a minute. I thought this would come out in one big stack, and so I was gonna pull it out, and then 3 separately wrapped stacks came out. Okay, we're off to such a promising start. So I have my other camera here. Let's open up this one and just see. Oh man, if you have children, immediate no. Immediate no. These are the sharpest blocks ever. They're so pretty. Like if you don't have kids, they are very pretty. Corners, like a razor. Okay, and then you're supposed to like Tetris this guy, like one of these. Is this like Jenga? Probably we're all yelling it at me. Rachel, it's just a really expensive Jenga. I hear you. I hear you, everyone. This is fun. I'm trying to get the vibes, you know? Like if I just keep taking the center one out, is it making it better or not changing it at all? Is this cool? Like, it's a bestseller. People really like it. Do you make towers? Do you do dominoes? I have so many questions. Tell me more about this. Also, how do you keep it clean? Do you mix up the colors? Do you put it right by a window where like all the natural light comes in and like cascades of rainbows on the wall? I don't know. This was insanely expensive. Again, anything that comes here, insane, like double the price of whatever it is. In case you were curious and wondering, how expensive is it, Rachel? Double. It's very pretty. I can see myself putting them in 3 separate stacks on a bookshelf, something like that, maybe. That'd be cool. Okay. But yeah, no, they're very sharp. They were not meant for my home, but they are very mesmerizing. I want to look at these all day. It looks so much fun. So much fun, but yeah, not for me. It is best selling though, so if this was on your wish list, be warned. Sharp edges. Possible difficulty cleaning, question mark? Let me know if you have one of those. Can you tag me and send me pictures? I need to see this in action. And let me know if you come across any of these super popular, most wished for products, and if there are any out there that we should test out next time to see if they're actually worth buying. Sometimes things are cool and I'm excited about them. And sometimes no, just a straight hard pass no. So if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, check out the videos on the side here. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. New videos here every single Thursday. Would love to see you back. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you guys all in the next one.